Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can transfer your photos and videos from Google Photos to another Google Photos account really quickly and without any technical skills whatsoever. So let us get started right away. Now doing this is really simple, guys. What you want to do is head over to your Google Photos account. Make sure that you're logged in with your Google account, of course. And what you want to do is select the videos or photos or items you would like to transfer. So for the sake of this tutorial, guys, let me select multiple of these photos just like that. So let me click on that check mark icon here and also select these files here by pressing and holding left shift just like that. So these 5 photos have been selected. Now I would like to transfer that selection to another of my Google account or maybe even to one of your friends' Google accounts. That's totally up to you guys. So this is how you can do it. Click on that share button or icon in the top right corner here. And from that menu below, you may, for example, search for the contact here in the search bar at the top to send the selected items to the given contact. Or alternatively, guys, simply use the shareable link below. So let me do that really quickly. After that, Google Photos will create that shareable link for you by clicking on that button here. Wait for a brief moment. And after that, simply copy that link here and paste it, for example, in another tab. So let me do that really quickly. And there you go. As you can see, now I have access to these shared photos and files. So guys, to download them, for example, to transfer them to another account, make sure that you logged in with your other Google account while entering that shareable link here and while accessing these photos. So currently I'm logged in with the same Google account, but you can simply repeat the same process for any other of your Google accounts or of your contacts. And once it's done, guys, simply click on these 3 dots here and select download all to download the shared items like photos and videos to your other Google Photos account. And that's basically it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.